Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a HubSpot account. First, open your web browser and go to the official HubSpot website. Look for the Get Started Free or Sign Up button, which is usually prominent on the home page. Click this button to initiate the account creation process. You will then be prompted to enter your email address. This email will be used for verification and as your primary contact for HubSpot communications. After verifying your email, you'll be guided to set up your profile. Here, you'll input essential details like your full name, your company's name, and the industry you operate in. HubSpot uses this information to personalize your experience and suggest relevant tools. You'll also choose your main business goals, such as increasing sales or improving customer service. Take a moment to review and adjust any initial account settings to fit your specific needs. With your account created, it's time to explore HubSpot's powerful features. The dashboard provides an overview of your activities and important metrics. You can immediately access the free CRM, which helps you organize and track customer interactions efficiently. Dive into the marketing tools to create landing pages or email campaigns, and check out the sales features to streamline your outreach. HubSpot offers a robust suite of tools to support various aspects of your business operations. Now that your HubSpot account is ready, consider integrating it with other tools you use, like your website or email provider, for a seamless workflow. HubSpot offers a wealth of free learning resources, including tutorials and a vibrant community forum, to help you master its features. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This will help you maximize your productivity and get the most out of your new platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.